Hey there crafters, I'm Beth and I am with Crafty Corner. We love to show you everything Cricut, so be sure to subscribe so you never miss out on all of the new exciting things to come. Today I'm actually going to show you the features of the roll holder and how to use it. This is the Cricut Roll Holder. This is where the roll sits, and in here are these little wheels that help the roll move and spin. Up here is a trimmer. It acts just like a paper trimmer. It stays out of the way until needed. When your design has been cut, you can simply cut it off from the rest of the roll. This gives you a nice straight edge for the next time. Let's flip it over. There are 4 non-slip pads underneath where the roll sits so that it does not move around. These grooves here are where the roll holder will sit when on the machine. When placing it on your machine, you will see these 2 little lines on the top by the trimmer. These are to help you line up those grooves underneath the roll holder to these notches here on your machine. It just kind of sits right on top of those. Here's my roll of smart vinyl, and I am going to sit it right in the holder, and then we'll take the edge of the vinyl and feed it underneath the trimmer part. Then we will help guide it underneath the vinyl guides on the sides. And give a gentle push up against the wheel and hit load. I'll hit the go button and it will begin cutting. When it is all done cutting, it will sit right at the end of your cuts, allowing you to use the trimmer and cut it off from the rest of the roll. Then you are able to hit the unload button and you're all done. This thing is a great little helper when working with smart materials with not a map. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, be sure to leave us a comment. Hit that subscribe button so that you do not miss out on all our great stuff, and head on over to Craft-e-Corner.com to get yourself a Cricut Roll Holder.